Everyone is talking about GME stock, but what makes it so special? Let's break it down in simple terms and understand why GameStop became a global sensation. What is GME stock and why should you care? GME is the ticker symbol for GameStop, a video game retail company in the United States. On the surface, it's just a regular chain selling video games, consoles, and accessories. But in 2021, something extraordinary happened. It turned into a meme stock, capturing the attention of millions online. Communities like Reddit's Wall Street Bets began buying shares in huge numbers, challenging traditional financial institutions. Suddenly, GME was no longer just a company, it became a symbol of retail investors taking on big hedge funds. The story even spread beyond finance circles, entering mainstream media, social networks, and pop culture. People who never invested in the stock market before were suddenly following charts, reading SEC filings, and talking about GME in forums and group chats. How did GameStop's stock price skyrocket? In January 2021, GME's stock price exploded. Many small investors bought shares while large hedge funds were betting the stock would fall, a strategy called short selling. When the stock price began rising instead, the hedge funds faced massive losses and had to buy shares to cover their positions. This created a short squeeze, sending the stock price even higher. In just a few days, GME jumped from under $20 to over $400. Headlines around the world covered the story. This wasn't just about money, it showed the power of collective action and how social media can dramatically influence financial markets. Even movies, documentaries, and countless memes later celebrated this David versus Goliath moment. Is GME stock still relevant in 2025? Absolutely. GME continues to be watched by investors, analysts, and meme stock enthusiasts. While it no longer reaches the extreme highs of 2021, it remains a case study in market psychology. The events surrounding GME show how online communities, social media, and ordinary investors can shape market behavior. Moreover, GME serves as a reminder for regulators, hedge funds, and financial educators about the changing dynamics of trading in the internet age. It's not just a stock, it's a phenomenon that continues to influence strategies, discussions, and investment culture. What can we learn from GME stock? GME stock teaches us that the stock market isn't only about big institutions or Wall Street experts. It's also shaped by ordinary people armed with social media, knowledge, and collective action. Meme stocks like GME show the intersection of finance, culture, and technology, revealing how communities can create unprecedented events. Whether you're an investor, a student, or just curious about finance, GME is a lesson in market psychology, social influence, and the power of people working together. If you found this explanation helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides to trending stocks and finance topics. Comment below which stock you want me to explain next. Thanks for watching and see you next time.